too. Your mind does crazy things.
Listen guys, on the 26th of June, we've got Hope in the Park happening and it's going to be amazing. It's happening noontime, 12 till 2, but we do need some volunteers to help with this. So if you're interested in being on the church stall or face painting or manning the bouncy castle, guys, then do get in touch with Dan. Let him know if you're available to help. But guys, just to let you know as well, there will be no services here on that Sunday, on the 26th of June. There's no services. Okay, so come join us at Hope in the Park. It will be at Hickman Park. We cannot wait to be there to have fun with bouncy castles, fun games, some live music, entertainment for kids. It's going to be wonderful. So join us there, Hope in the Park, 26th of June, 12 till 2. We'll see you there.
Slow down, running around with that broken heart. You might slip and fall into my arms.
Our baptismal service is coming up on the 1st of July, which is pretty soon. So if you're interested in getting baptised and taking that next step as a follower of Jesus, then why not have a conversation and speak to one of the leaders on our team for more information about this so that you can come to our service on the 1st of July and get baptised. Would you say you're a leader? Or are you serving at Excel Church in a leadership capacity? Well, you should join us on the 29th of June, it's a Wednesday night, for our next leadership development night, and we're going to be joined by the guest Danny Murphy, who's going to be coming and speaking to us. So if you're a leader, an aspiring leader, you're already leading or you want to lead, listen, come along. It's a night for leaders. We can get together and learn together from the Bible. So join us for that evening on the 29th of June from 7:30. Don't forget guys, this week is Connect Groups, so make sure you connect with yours. Although most Connect Groups are happening on a Wednesday night, we have got daytime ones and we've got one online too if you feel more comfortable with that. So if you're not already in one, do let us know because we'd love to get you signed up to one and you can get in with the community here in Bilston at Excel Church. But guys, that is all for Excel News, so have a great week and we'll see you next week.